Welcome to Standing Deer. Today we'll see how to install Python on Windows system, Windows 10. So Python is a really popular language. It's a general purpose language. Um, it's very easy to use. Many people use it in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, to making simple scripts, to hacking anywhere you will find it. So how we can just install Python on a system? To install, you have to first see what system you're in. So if you're in Windows 10, you can go to the python.org website where what is this is the official website of Python, and you can hover over to the download section and you find the download version attached, which this website detects that you're on Windows system. It will show you the Windows download file. So what you have to do is to download it by clicking on it, just like every website. But I have already downloaded it on my system, so I will not make the process more lengthy. So I will go to that file and install it. So to access the file you have downloaded, you have to open the File Explorer. If you're using Chrome-based systems, probably into the Downloads folder. So I have found my installer file, so I'll click on it, double click on it so that it can open. And when you open, you will find this dialog box. So it's very important. Don't just click on install now. Here you can see at the end an option, add Python 3.10 to the path, and it's really important. When you're using terminal or using Python command, you are just using this Python word a lot. So how you can make it kind of understandable to the computer, that's what you were pointing at. So you do it by using environment variables. So what environment variables do, it will add this Python directory to a name Python 3.10 or Python, and whenever you call it, it will just call the software from this path. So it's very important to click on it and add Python 3.10 to the Windows path variables. Then you can install it on your system's directory. I will just recommend to install it on C drive, because it's where this Windows lives. So it's really good to install it there so that you can access it anytime, and don't want to just install several versions of Python at the same time, and it's not a good idea. So we'll install it on the Windows C drive, and just like any software, it will take some time depending on your system and how powerful it is. So we'll wait. So we have successfully installed Python for Windows on our Windows system, and it will show you this message that it was successful, and it will just give you some link of online tutorials or how to use Python, what's new, the new release, the change logs. So you can simply get rid of it by clicking on the close button or just clicking on the cross on Windows bar. So how can you just assure that you have downloaded Python? So to see that, you can open any terminal. I'm using Windows terminal app, where you can just group a bunch of terminals in one place. I'm using Git Bash, but you can use also command prompt or Windows PowerShell. So to do it, you have to first see which version you have downloaded. As the file suggests, you have downloaded 3.10.2. So to see that, we can just run this command python -- version, and it will see which version I have downloaded. I have downloaded Python 3.10.2. So we have successfully done the Python installation. So another way is to see and write code. Okay, so we can write code and see if it interprets the Python code to whatever we want to do with the computer, whatever the instruction that we do, does it just operates on it. So to do that, we can run the Python Interactive Console by just typing Python, and this is the Python Interactive Console where you can write code and test out your code. So I'm just writing a simple program that everyone writes whenever they get into computer science. and it will run. So we have successfully installed Python on your system, and that's the way you can install really easily, not having too much trouble just using the installer file. So thank you very much. If you have got any value from this video, please like and share. And if you have any kind of a question, you can comment down below. I'm always free to answer to them. Have a nice day.